Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Blessing. For those of you that are new here, welcome to the family. So in today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be showing you how to achieve this beautiful look using a 4x4 closure. Most times when I post pictures on my social media handles, especially Instagram, most people DM me and be like, I love frontal hairs, but I don't know how to maintain them. Well, guess what? You can actually achieve this frontal look using your closure with no stress at all. So that's why I've made this video, just to show you how you can do that on the go. So if this is a video you might be interested in, then keep watching.
Okay guys, this is the hair we'll be working with. It's water coils hair, or some people call it pixie coils. So this is actually a 10-inch hair with a 10-inch 4x4 closure. I have already wigged it. I wigged it myself, and then I had added these highlights to it because I already have a black water coils hair. Then I went in with this Tresemme coil cream just to define the coils. I simply put it in a spray bottle, add water to it, mix it together, and just use it on the hair. Then I lock the coils in with this Tresemme coil locking finishing spray. I do it overnight, then in the morning it's all dry and good to go. Now we're going to be prepping my hair. My edges are looking very rough, so I need to get them out of the way. I'm currently transitioning to natural hair. My hair was formerly relaxed, so my edges are pretty rough right now, so I have to use got2b gel to lay them down and get them out of the way so that we can have a very proper install without my edges disturbing anything. This is what the wig looks like. I made it myself. If you like to see a detailed video on how to make a handmade wig, please leave me a comment in the comment section and I will make a video. So now I'll be going in with my face foundation, be rubbing it in the closure so it can match better with my skin. To achieve the look I'm going for, I will be putting this the closure part of the wig very close to my ear so that I can create that side bang that I want, that high side bang. So this is very important that you know the right place to position the hair. Remember, this is a 4x4 closure, so we don't have too much hair to work with, unlike the frontal, where, or if it's a 5x5 or 6x6 closure, those ones are much more bigger, but this is a 4x4 closure. And now this is very crucial. There is this tiny little part of the closure, this part that looks like they sew it. I don't know how, if that makes sense. So you're going to be cutting that off completely so you can be able to lay that part flat. You see what I'm talking about? You will make sure you cut that part off completely so you can have a flawless install, just in case you still want to install your hair with a glue for a long lasting hold. But in today's video we are making just a temporary install where you can just make it, you can just lay it properly, make it look like a frontal. Then when you get back from where you went to, you can just easily remove it with water. So we are going to be using only the got2b spray for this look. So after spraying the got2b spray and you've laid the closure as the exact place you want it to be, you're going to take a hand dryer and blow dry it for it to dry properly before we'll go in and cut the lace. When cutting the lace, it is important that you cut in a zigzag motion, not straight across, because straight across will make it look wiggy, like it won't look natural at all. So that's why I like to use an eyebrow razor instead of the normal scissors. So this eyebrow razor will create that illusion that I want, the natural look. While I'm cutting it is automatically cutting in zigzag motion, unlike scissors to just cut straight across unless you start doing the zigzag thing, if you know what I mean. Now I'm going to be creating a small baby hair so that the side can look more natural. You really don't have to do this if you don't like baby hair. Me, I love baby hair, so I have to somehow put the baby hair there. So but on the other side, I'm not adding any baby hair there. I like the way it falls, I like the way it's laying already, so I'm just going to be adding the baby hair to the side. Now I'm cleaning off. Most times got to be spray. Once you use it, it gives this white residue, so but it's very very easy to clean. So you're going to take maybe like a cotton wool or something, add water to it, or a cloth with water, just use this to clean it off, and it's off. It will go off immediately. Now I'll be going in with the mousse just to define my parts more, and then to also add it to the front part of the hair. Most times got to be, once it's fully dried, it can make the hair a bit crunchy hard, so I don't really like it when my hair is crunchy hard. So I'll apply a little mousse just to soften it a little before I tie it down for it to dry. I'm going to be using this elastic band. This is the same band you use inside your closures and frontals when you wig them. So I'm going to be using it to tie the closure down just for it to dry properly and well laid. After that, I'll go ahead and do my makeup. I went ahead and did my makeup off camera, and now this is the look after I removed the band. It's looking laid good. So you just use brush, the same brush you use on your face, just to clean off any white residue or anything. Arrange the hair. Man, I'm loving the look. Just take a look at that. Just I'm not even going to talk too much. Just look, see for yourself now. I love the hair, I love the highlights, I love everything about this hair. Now I'm going to take my foundation and a brush, just your normal makeup brush that you use to define your brows. You use it and just apply a little, just to define the parts more, just to make it more defined. You see what I mean when I finish. Are you seeing how it's coming together? Everything coming together, everything good. Honey, just take a look at this. I mean, there is something juicy about this hair. It's short, sweet, but classy. Simple but classy. Too juicy, like too juicy. Please, have you hit that like button? Please and please, give me my like. Give me my thumbs up immediately, because this is looking beautiful. Actually going out right now, and this is the time. This is 1:43. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm going out right now, and when I come back, I will be showing you how it looks. I don't know how long I'll be spending out, but I'll be showing you how it looks when I get back, and then how you can take it off easily, because it's just got to be spray that we use and got to be gel, so you can actually take it off when you get back. So I will be showing you that once I get back
where I'm going. Okay,
I spent 3 hours where I went to. When I got back, my hair is still very firm and okay, still looking new. So all you need to do is just use water, put in the spray bottle and just spray it on it and pull it out, pull it off. That's just all. Super duper easy. I'm going to put the link and the details of everything I used in this video in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends, let them watch it too. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.